Welcome to the Pinch Pots project. Using the sketches that you've already completed, look over your final sketch and start thinking about the different parts that you're going to need to complete your project. Break it down into smaller sections and think about how you will need to build those. Take those pinch pots that you already made and see if they match up together. If they do, great. If they don't, use your fingers to compress the top and then slip and score both pieces. Make sure to use plenty of water before pressing them together. Make sure you press really well. You can fix the form later, but you want to make sure that they have a smooth join. If there are gaps or cracks, roll tiny coils, put them in the cracks, and then smooth over with your fingers. You only need water in your hands for this, but if you have a sponge, feel free to grab it. Next, you're going to be compressing your form to make your final shape. I'm going to take that sketch, and I started breaking down in the bottom my form into different pieces that I'm going to need. So you can see I'm going to need an egg shape for my body. I'm going to need 2 coils for my arms. And then with both of those arms, I'm going to hollow the back with my thumb. Same with the tail and the head. So the head I would make out of a simple pinch pot, but that's smaller, similar to the way I did the other ones, just less clay. And then I'll attach a coil for the nose. Once you finish designing your pieces, you can build those separately and then set them aside. Once they're a little drier, like on the raw side of leather hard, so just a little bit stiffer, you can slip and score to start attaching. Your final step for this project is going to be making sure that you have put a vent hole in the bottom of your pot. If you have not, your pot will explode, so make sure that you have a vent. Once you finish that, set it aside, and then next week we'll be adding those final details. So your goals for today: number 1, make sure that you have completed your basic form and put a vent hole in it so it does not explode. You want to allow the inside to dry at the same rate as the outside. Step 2, make the extra body pieces. Step 3, allow to dry until slightly stiff on the wet side of leather hard, and then start slipping and scoring those pieces to attach so you have your basic final form. Next time, we will be completing this.